ICNet Standard T4. ICNet Standard T4 states promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility, understand local and global societal issues and responsibilities in an evolving digital culture, and exhibit legal and ethical behavior in their professional practices. In this course, one major component that I studied was meeting the needs of everyone through technology. I was able to master this standard by researching universal design and compliance and understanding the legal and ethical responsibilities associated with meeting the needs of learners. Below is an example of how I met this standard with the fair use doctrine on Prezi by showing teachers that fair doctrine is what fair doctrine is and how it works. Also, I met this standard with my multimedia class on Weebly that explained multimedia and the different parts of multimedia. Let's take a look at this document now. This is an example of my class that I created on Weebly. As you can see, there are many components to this class. There's a home button and a class where you can see your work. It's a class where you can go in and learn about different multimedia tools. I created this for Head Start faculty as a legal responsibility so they can understand what multimedia is, how that media is to be used, and what all it entails as well. So that was just one example of how I met the standard. Also, on this standard, I met the standard also. I'm going to go back and show my fair use doctrine that I created on Prezi, which is below. And I'm just going to play a little bit of this to show how I um, presented this doctrine for training to Head Start faculty. We're going to discuss fair use doctrine, and this training was designed for Head Start faculty. I hope that you enjoy this training, and I hope that it is informative. Okay. Also, as you can see, there is different components. Now let's discuss a general overview of fair use. For this presentation, we will define what the word fair use means and proper applications for fair use doctrine. Now let's get a definition of what fair use is. And this was just one way that I met um, net standard, ISTE net standard T4. I was promoting and modeling digital citizenship for my other faculty members so they could understand the issues and evolving digital culture that exhibited legal and ethical behavior by telling and showing them what fair use is and how fair use is used as well.